Hi you guys, I am so excited to do this guest bathroom, and if you guys stay tuned with me, you will learn how to demo and reno a vanity, a faucet, a light fixture, a toilet, bathroom floors, bathroom tiles, and a bathtub. So this was a built-in toothbrush holder and a built-in soap bar holder, which we already yanked out. So this toilet flushes by itself like crazy, so that is why we're replacing the toilet. And then I'm going to be taking this out. It's just, I don't like it. And taking this out as well because you can do so much beautiful decor here. Why have this? Definitely changing the floors because of all the cracks, even though the pattern is pretty cute. And changing the baseboards as well because they're just pretty old. A lot of stuff going on here, everyone. Definitely changing this bathtub. It's kind of gross, but it is leaving soon. Woohoo! And then definitely changing this. I've been going back and forth with a lot of different subway tiles, some with patterns, some plain, some longer, so I think I have just the one. You guys will see it soon enough. I'm going to take it much higher up than these, and I am thinking about doing an inlay, so like a shadow box if you will, so you can put your soaps and stuff, and I'm thinking to do that a different pattern than the rest of the tile. But we got to take these bad boys out first. So this guest bathroom is pretty tight. So I'm going to take the door out just so it's easier to reno and demo without this guy in the way. So I'm just going to go. So I got all 6 nails out and now I am just removing the door, guys. Pretty easy. It's time for DIVA-LITION, which is my version of demo.
I want to know.
Here, I'll put this in the room. Don't drop it, it's really heavy. My amazing person right here is helping me. One of my best friends in the whole wide world. Goodbye, Heather. First, you want to close the water pipe to the toilet and then drain the water. We have a towel because it was leaking a bit. So taking out the bolts that hold the toilet down with a wrench and screwdriver. Kind of gross, people. The toilet is draining. Go.
Good job, Mommy. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
By turning this all the way to the right, both sides. Okay. Bench, make sure it fits. And I don't know if the camera can get this, but see how it's turning? You're loosening it. And once you get it enough, you can really awkward angle, but just, it's almost easier like this. So you're just gonna unplug it. There we go. And the next one. Feels like I'm in a cave. There we go. We're gonna get this megalodon wrench, what I call it, and you're gonna loosen the drain pipe. And once you get it going, you can again finish it out with your hands. Come on. We're almost there. It smells a little funny. So the drain pipe is out. And now we are just loosening the vanity. Let the games begin. Alright. It's actually super fun breaking stuff.
Sure, like a wreck and roll.
Alright, that's my husband. Instead of doing one by one, we have backer board, so we're just taking the whole strip of tiles out. Basically sawing it all out. And you can see it's coming out. Love these two guys. Holy smokes! Nice job. Now let me get in there. I switched the instrument. Instead of the saw, I'm using this instead. It's easier on my hand. Just make sure you're not hitting any pipes. You can see there's pipes back here, and you just kind of go back and forth, and you'll feel the resistance. You'll feel when you're through. Gosh, right. And that's why we call him Wreck-It Ralph. So all of these are made a little different, but in order to get this one off, I just turned it upside down, and then I'm using an Allen wrench and just twisting it. And you're loosening it just enough. I've been doing this for a while, and then it should just slide, wiggle, wiggle off. Gotta be careful of the pipe. So this is where the shower was. We had to be super careful not to hit this gorgeous pipe. Just getting the nails out here. Same thing, just like we did to the other two sides. So gotta pull the drain out. This is what a drain tool looks like. And you're gonna just fit it in. This size is too big, so fit it in. And then you're just gonna turn it. It can be really hard to turn. And this one is not too bad. Gotta turn it a little bit more. I know, this is fear factor. Ooh, I see hair, but it's not too bad. So improvising, because we thought we had masks and we can't find them, so using a scarf. Getting the insulation out of here, because there's a lot of insulation mixed with dust. Okay, so all the insulation, tons of insulation and dust has been vacuumed out of here, broomed out of here. It was a dust factory. This is where the tiles used to be. This is where the tub was, where I'm standing. This is where the toilet was attached. This is where that toilet paper holder was. Remember this towel bar? This is where the vanity was. And this is where those two holders were, the toothbrush and soap holder. The mirror was over here, so progress.